Hi, it's Mrs. Lawler. I'm making this recording for those of you that cannot seem to get the circuit construction kit working from the PhET site. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and build the two situations. If you have not read through the lab report instructions yet, go ahead and pause this recording and read through it so you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and start with situation one. Situation one says to use a light bulb, 3 wires, a switch, and a battery. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this and turn it on so you could see what happens, and then you will be able to answer the questions in the lab report. Okay, so this is what situation one will look like. To turn it on, I'm going to flip the switch. There we go. Take a good look at it. Remember what you see. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. You can pause this if you want to answer your questions, but now I'm going to go ahead and create situation two. Situation two says to add 2 more light bulbs and 2 more wires. And we're going to want to light up all 3 light bulbs. So I'm going to add 2 more light bulbs and 2 more wires. Okay, so I'm going to break this junction here so I can add some more in. I'm going to go ahead and put another wire there and put the second light bulb on. Then put the other wire there and put the third light bulb on, and then attach it to complete the circuit. And it's still on. So now you can see what happens with that. Now, one of your questions for situation two is to right-click on the battery and increase the voltage and describe what happened. So I'm going to right-click on the battery and increase the voltage. Now you would write what happened. If you need to pause this and write it down, go ahead. I'm going to move right along though. The next one says to right-click on each bulb and decrease the resistance. Right-click on each bulb and decrease the resistance. So I'm just going to decrease them all, maybe by about half. Make sure you note what's happening and keep an eye on the units as I'm changing the resistance. I'm going to change the resistance of the second one now. I'm going to decrease it, keep an eye on what's happening and check the units. Now I'm going to decrease the last one. Keep an eye on what's happening and the units. And there we go. Now you should have everything you need to see in order to answer all your questions. If you need to watch this again or rewind it to a specific part to get a better look at things, feel free. Have a great day.